Have you ever thought about investing in land? It's an intriguing prospect, isn't it? A tangible asset that you can see, touch, and even stand on. It's just there, unchanging, and yet it holds so much potential. Land investing is a fascinating venture that can bring about fruitful returns if navigated correctly. But how does one go about this? Well, worry not, because today, we're here to break down the process of land investing into easy, digestible steps. Step 1. Research. This is the foundation of your land investing journey. Understand the market. Look at trends, historical data, and growth projections. This is where you'll start to get a sense of what kind of land you want to invest in. Is it residential, commercial, agricultural, or maybe even raw land? Each type has its own set of pros and cons, and it's crucial to understand these before you dive in. Step 2. Evaluate. Once you've decided on the type of land, it's time to evaluate potential properties. Look at factors like location, zoning restrictions, and potential for development. Also consider the cost of owning the land. Things like taxes, maintenance, and other potential expenses. This will give you a clear picture of the overall value of the property. Step 3. Finance. Land investing isn't typically as straightforward as other types of real estate investing when it comes to financing. Traditional lenders may be hesitant to finance raw land, for instance. Therefore, it's essential to explore your options, from seller financing to private lenders and equity partnerships. Step 4. Purchase. Once you've done your research, evaluated potential properties, and secured your financing, you're ready to make a purchase. But remember, purchasing the land is just the beginning. Step 5. Develop or hold. After purchasing, you have two main options. You can either develop the land, adding value to it, or you can hold on to it, waiting for its value to increase naturally over time. Both strategies have their own benefits and risks, and it's vital to consider these carefully. To summarize, land investing involves a series of steps: researching the market, evaluating potential properties, financing your purchase, buying the land, and then deciding whether to develop it or hold on to it. Remember, land investing is a long-term strategy. It's not about quick returns, but about patience and vision. It's about seeing the potential in a piece of land and understanding how to unlock it. So, are you ready to step into the world of land investing? It's a journey filled with learning, challenges, and opportunities. But with the right knowledge and approach, it can be a journey that leads to incredible rewards. In the end, land investing isn't just about making money. It's about owning a piece of the earth and shaping it into something valuable. It's about creating a legacy that can be passed on for generations. It's about making a mark, literally and figuratively, on the world. So go ahead, stake your claim. The world of land investing awaits.